Happy Pokemon Eve, everybody! What's happening? What's happening? What's happening to you? What's up? What's happening, Poketubers and Pokemon fans everywhere? So on my channel, the day before a new game comes out, the day before a new Pokemon game comes out, I'm dubbing the day before on my channel, the day before a new Pokemon game comes out, I'm dubbing this day on my channel Pokemon Eve. Because tomorrow Let's Go comes out. Tomorrow my Pokeball Plus is going to arrive because it finally shipped today. I hope the guy gets here on time so I can open it tomorrow when I get off of work. But like I said, there was going to be open today. And so today I'm opening for you guys another Switch controller. No wired one, no, because my wired one freaking sucks ass. Like, it doesn't even want to work. Today I'm opening up the Legend of Zelda Advanced Gaming Wireless Motion, the Legend of Zelda Nintendo Switch Wireless Enhanced Wireless Controller for you guys. Now, I already cut the tape down. I've had these that work for a while now. I told myself I was going to pick one up when I got paid. I got paid today. And so, I thought, you know what, since I got paid today, why not pick it up during my lunch break? And on my lunch break, I did pick it up, as you can tell. So I'm just going to rip the box. I don't care. Finally, that bastard turned open. Alright, so here's the controller. My God, it's gorgeous! Alright, it has... Now, before we get into the lights, it has 3 buttons on the bottom. AGR, AGL, and... Where the heck this one's for? I think it's for, sync. I think it's for syncing with the Switch. Control 6. The joystick here. Camera stick here. Control pad here. ABXY buttons. Standard buttons for a Switch controller. Plus and minus here. Home. Camera. Standard buttons for a Switch controller. You got your LR, your ZL, buttons, standard controller things, and batteries are included, so you don't have to provide them yourself. System update required for using verified. So that's new. Apparently, I need apparently, before I use my wireless controller, I need a system update, which is kind of dumb. Alright, this is the sync button right here. AGR, AGL. Oh, this is the program button right here. This is your program button. So yeah, I didn't think I needed a system update, just use a new controller. Like, that's news to me. Good thing it's gonna have my screwdriver. all right in front. I didn't know that. Look at that. That's cool. Same nice, just like on the Joy-Con. That's awesome. I cannot wait to use this thing. I cannot wait to use this thing. I cannot wait to use this when I game. And of course, as you guys know, guys, tomorrow will be Pokemon Day. As I said today, it was Pokemon Eve. I should have said that this morning when I was reviewing Pokemon the first movie. But you know what? I didn't because I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Again, tomorrow I will be unboxing my Pokeball Plus. If it actually gets there on time, I don't know if it will. Supposedly it should, so supposedly it should arrive tomorrow before 8 a.m. Before 8 p.m. If it doesn't, I'm going to be very pissed off because I like getting stuff on time. When I order things, I like for them to get here on time so I don't have to worry about them. But it was guys, that's good for you tonight. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make sure to tune in tomorrow for my video review of Pokemon the Movie 2000, or that'll be tonight, I'm not sure. But tomorrow, once I'm done with Pokemon the Movie 2000, we're taking a look at Pokemon the third movie. And bing, bang, bong! Then, once I get home, we'll be taking a look at the Pokeball Plus, if it's here. So make sure to tune in for that tomorrow, and I will catch you all next time with another video. To all my fellow Poketubers, and to all the Pokemon fans of the world, once again I say, Happy Pokemon Day Eve! Peace out, y'all.